AI Report Card 2025. Google is winning. OpenAI hit code red. Complete. OpenAI just declared a code red. Nvidia lost $600 billion in a single day, the biggest single-day loss in stock market history. Meanwhile, Google quietly rolled out a model outperforming GPT-5 on almost every benchmark. But here's the twist most people don't realize. Google isn't just winning the chatbot race. They're competing across the entire AI ecosystem, from advanced chips to cloud services, from cutting-edge models to AI-powered hardware. Microsoft, Nvidia, OpenAI, Oracle, Meta, they're all in the game. Yet right now, no company is playing on every level as effectively as Google. Even more shocking, a group of researchers predicted this shift 6 months ago. One of them left OpenAI, giving up $2 million in equity, just to warn the world. Today, 70% of their predictions have already come true. This is your complete AI report card for 2025, covering the moments that actually mattered, the tools you should be paying attention to, and the trends shaping 2026. The AI predictions that came true. In early 2025, a report by former OpenAI researcher Daniel Cocotillo outlined 5 bold predictions for AI. These weren't just guesses, they came from people with proven track records in AI forecasting. One of the most striking predictions was the rise of AI agents in the workforce. These weren't demos or controlled experiments, they were real agents handling real-world tasks. ChatGPT operator launched. Perplexity built an agentic browser, Google integrated agents directly into Chrome, and even Goldman Sachs started piloting AI agents for research. AI wasn't just a tool anymore, it was starting to do actual work. Another prediction focused on coding. The report foresaw AI taking over complex software engineering tasks. Back in January 2024, AI could barely score on coding benchmarks. By December 2025, Claude jumped from 4.4% to over 80%, a leap that stunned developers worldwide. Cursor reached a $9 billion valuation, and Claude Code now reports a $500 million run rate. Coding automation went from theory to mainstream in record time. China's competitiveness in AI was another bold forecast. Many assumed the West would maintain dominance, but DeepSeek, a Chinese company, released a reasoning model matching OpenAI's best performance, all for just $6 million in training costs. OpenAI, by contrast, allegedly spent over $100 million. This moment shook the AI landscape and demonstrated that global competition is alive and thriving. Predictions about job displacement also began to materialize. TCS, one of India's largest IT companies, announced layoffs affecting over 12,000 employees. While economic factors played a role, AI-driven automation in routine and mid-level tasks was a clear catalyst. The human workforce is adapting to a reality where AI is not just assisting, but actively replacing certain functions. The 5th prediction, superintelligence by 2027, remains a work in progress. AI continues to improve rapidly, but we are not yet at the stage of general superhuman intelligence. Still, reasoning models and humanoid robots are pushing the boundaries of what machines can do, hinting at a near future where superintelligent AI is more than a dream. The defining moments of AI in 2025. 2025 was the year AI left the lab and entered daily life. It was a year of breakthroughs, some unexpected, others shocking in scale. The rise and fall of dedicated AI hardware was one lesson. Devices like the Humane Pin and the Rabbit R1 promised to replace smartphones and computers, but they failed spectacularly. The takeaway? AI works best when integrated into existing tools and workflows, not when trying to reinvent everything. Synthetic media took a massive leap forward. Google's invisible watermarking technology tracked over 20 billion AI-generated pieces of content, creating the foundation for trusting or verifying AI outputs. At the same time, image generation exploded into the mainstream. With GPT-4's native image generation, users worldwide generated over 700 million images in a single week. AI creativity went from niche experiments to household-level utility. AI-powered transportation and healthcare also made headlines. Waymo, a self-driving company, hit 450,000 autonomous rides per week, moving far beyond pilot programs. In healthcare, the FDA approved 950 AI-powered medical devices, signaling that AI was now making real decisions on roads and in hospitals. These weren't futuristic demos, they were operational realities. The browser wars reignited as well. OpenAI's Atlas, Perplexity's Comet, and Google's Gemini integration showed that controlling how people access the internet had become one of the most strategic battlegrounds in tech. Whoever dominates AI browsing dominates the digital economy. In the coding space, agents exploded in influence. Cursor and Claude Code became essential tools for professional developers, while startups like Windsurf saw major acquisitions within days. The coding market isn't just booming, it's transforming how software is written and deployed. Reasoning models, like Claude's extended thinking and Gemini's reasoning mode, fundamentally changed AI's capabilities. These models don't simply respond, they think. In 2025, AI even won gold at the International Math Olympiad, deriving results humans hadn't discovered. This is AI learning and improving itself, a leap that will define the coming years. Humanoid robotics also surged ahead. Tesla Optimus, Chinese G1 robots, Figure AI's deployments, and Boston Dynamics' new Atlas Electrics expanded the global humanoid robot market to $2.4 billion, projected to reach $113 billion by 2033. These machines aren't just experiments, they're integrated into factories and workplaces worldwide. India's IT sector received a wake-up call. TCS's layoffs foreshadowed massive disruption. Estimates suggest 400 to 500,000 IT jobs could be affected in the next 2 to 3 years. AI isn't just changing tech, it's reshaping global labor markets. Finally, a single event reshaped the geopolitical AI landscape: DeepSeek's R1 reasoning model. Trained at a fraction of the cost of OpenAI's models, it forced industry leaders to acknowledge the strength of Chinese AI competition. The release of this model was dubbed AI's Sputnik moment, and it confirmed that the race for AI dominance is global and high stakes. The tools defining 2025. Several tools emerged as essential in 2025, each defining their niche. For coding, Cursor became the IDE that developers switched to overnight, while Claude Code excelled for terminal-based workflows. No-code platforms like Lovable and Bolt made AI accessible to non-developers. For general AI assistance, Claude stood out for nuanced writing and reasoning. ChatGPT offered versatility with plugins, and Gemini excelled in the Google ecosystem. Perplexity became a go-to for research and accuracy. Video generation also matured. Google's VO 3.1 delivered professional quality outputs, while OpenAI's Sora 2 excelled in photorealism, and Runway Gen 4 integrated seamlessly into professional workflows. Image generation evolved beyond creative novelty. ChatGPT images led viral adoption, Nano Banana Pro drove trending creative outputs, and Flux delivered photorealistic results. Midjourney maintained its artistic appeal, but other platforms caught up for everyday use. A notable surprise was Claude's ability to control your computer, bridging the gap between AI as an assistant and AI as a fully capable agent. Looking ahead to 2026. Trends for 2026 suggest continued acceleration. Agentic browsers may become the default for knowledge workers, allowing AI to book flights, compare options, and handle payments automatically. The coding agent market is expected to consolidate, with Cursor and Claude Code dominating, while smaller players are either acquired or fade away. AI search is likely to monetize through sponsored responses and paid placements, signaling the end of the free lunch era for large-scale AI adoption. Routine digital tasks, from data entry to scheduling, will increasingly be automated, quietly transforming entry-level jobs. Perhaps the most important prediction is that the highest-paid roles won't be pure AI experts. Instead, the winners will combine human skills with AI amplification. Leadership, negotiation, strategic thinking, and sales will remain irreplaceable, while AI handles the repetitive work. 3 skills will define success. First, AI orchestration. Understanding which tools to use and how to combine them will surpass simple prompt engineering. Second, systems thinking will allow humans to choose the right problems to solve and anticipate cascading effects. Finally, human skills like communication, negotiation, and emotional intelligence will become the premium currency of the AI age. 2025 was the year AI stopped being theoretical. It entered workplaces, creative studios, hospitals, and factories. 2026 will accelerate this transformation. Whether Google dominates, OpenAI rebounds, or China surprises again, the pace of change is unstoppable. The gap between the AI literate and AI illiterate is now a canyon. If you've made it to the end of this video, congratulations, you've crossed it. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead in real-time AI coverage. Drop a comment with your prediction for the biggest AI breakthrough of 2026. Remember, AI isn't the future, it's here. And the winners will be those who combine human judgment with AI orchestration.